So I've got about 6 pairs of surgical scissors from a veterinary clinic. And here's a pair that has not been sharpened. And we're going to test it a couple of different ways. One, we're going to test it just on some cloth. And you can see it's not cutting the cloth. So, and that's what these are used for, is to cut bandages off of patients, in this case dogs. And so it should be able to cut gauze pretty easily. But what I also like to do is take a latex glove, and actually it's not latex, it's some other material, but just a cheap glove, and see if it cuts. And it cuts, but it just does not cut cleanly. So we're going to sharpen it and see what happens. I'm going to show you how I sharpen them, and if anybody has a better way, let me know. So I'm going to use the Wolff Industries twice as sharp machine with my diamond wheel on it to sharpen the surgical scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the old Sharpie to black out the blade. And the edge angle in here are about 0. They may be a little negative. Doing a scratch test. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's 0 degrees. So these are actually negative. That's perfect scratch. And that's probably negative a couple of degrees at least on the clamp. So I'm just trying to recreate the factory edge. I'm just barely touching it on the wheel. Looks pretty good. Once again, that's negative. About 1 or 2 degrees. I haven't gone back all the way, so I need to and that looks real good. I don't think I buffed that other side, did I? Anyway, we're gonna remove the burr with the pink stone. And then I like to use a little piece of wood. Just gently run it through the cut end edge of a piece of wood. And then I'm also going to use a little piece of leather. That feels pretty good. So we're going to go back to the test. Let's make sure there don't have any burrs left on it. Ooh, that was a little rough. That's much better. Had a little bit of burr on there. That didn't get completely off. So we're going to try them now. Okay, back over to the cloth that I tried to cut with before. Let's try this now and see if it cuts a little bit better. Oh yeah. Cuts wonderful now. Let's try on the glove. Huge improvement. Huge improvement over how they came in to me. So that's how I sharpened these. May not be the correct way of doing it, but it's worked. And I think I have a better edge than from the factory, or at least a worn edge from the factory. So there they are.